I want to show you a brain map of what rumination looks like in the brain. Okay, so here what we're actually looking at is, I want to mainly point out this bottom one of high beta. Now high beta, this column right here is eyes open, and we can see there's a lot of high activity right here in the central point of the brain and also along the prefrontal cortex, slightly in our occipital lobe, which is our visual cortex. However, let's have a look at what happens with our eyes closed. Now all this red is indicating very high amounts of this specific frequency of high beta. So what's common in generalized anxiety disorders is a person, if they're given things like, hey, just relax, hey, slow the breathing, close your eyes, go inward, those kind of prompts sometimes can actually be counterintuitive to what we're actually wanting to achieve. And in this case, this client experienced high amounts of rumination and anxiety traits as soon as she would close her eyes. And what we ended up doing was some neurofeedback with eyes closed to actually regulate her brain more effectively. And then when she starts to close her eyes, now she can do the breathing exercises and the relaxation techniques that we all have heard of in the past. So if you're someone that is experiencing rumination and a mindset that when I close my eyes, this thing goes into haywire, there are approaches out there. Neurofeedback is just one of them, but there are many approaches where we can start to regulate the way the brain's functioning. Big on aspects around nutrition, sleep, also certain supplements that we can take as well that can assist with lowering this stimulus throughout the brain. Stay tuned for more insights on brain mapping.